Hello, and in this video I'm going to be reviewing the Militarum Tempestus Scions in all their glory. So since the intro I have removed the plastic cellophane, so that's why you can't see me as good as you could. So obviously Militarum Tempestus Scions says you get 5 miniatures. With my techniques we'll see if we can get 10 or 15 out of this kit, just cause. So what we've got here, this looks like the, there we go, the command squad from Militarum Tempestus. It gives you some paint choices, some ideas anyway. There's a medic. This is the Tempestus Prime. So it's a HQ choice and an elite choice in one box. All the backpacks with numerous thingies. The hotshot volley gun, I believe. A las pistol, a hotshot las pistol. No, is it a standard las pistol? I don't know, we'll check that out. And then a standard las gun and a plasma gun as well. Let's open it up and see if we can have a little look at what we get. If I can, that is. Is this the way? Come on. Impatience is not a virtue. I'm terrible at waiting, especially things like this. So, I have wanted the Militarum Tempestus for a long time, so it is nice to finally actually pick them up. So, what do we get? Conveniently, we get a... Wow, so they've even put the weapons on it, that's pretty good. Militarum Tempestus, let's get our English, well, that's German, I guess. Nope, French maybe. This looks like our English ones, and it's the current one, so it looks like it. So Tempestus Scion, there's all the stats. 4-up save, toughness 3, so the guardsman as ever. Ballistic skill 3+, leadership 6 or 7, so not great leadership, but you're usually going to have them in squads of 5, which is going to be more than enough. So even if you lose 5, you're probably going to die anyway. Aerial drops, so they can deep strike effectively, and Vox Caster. That's the same rule as the other one. It says one Tempestus Prime may replace the hotshot las gun with a. Let's have a look. Yeah, sorry. One may take a las pistol and Vox Caster. For every 5 models and units, 2 other may replace their hotshot las guns with a flamer, melter gun, plasma gun, grenade launcher, hotshot volley gun. I like the hotshot volley gun. We'll go over this in another video, I think, possibly. 24-inch heavy 4, so the heavy bit I don't like, but the strength 4 -2, so you could get at least 8 shots out of these guys, which are going to be, could be pretty deadly, if I'm honest. So let's move on. So obviously there's the instructions telling you how to assemble them, blah, 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 loads of different ways. We won't go over that, because what we're looking for today is we want to look at the models, don't we? So we should get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 bases, as ever. There's 5 models that you can make out of this kit. So we'll look at the first sprue. Moving this guy out of the way. So we've got legs, lots of legs. Got at least 4 in this sprue. 1, 2, 3, Nicholas. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So all 5 are on this one. So there's hotshot las gun, hotshot las gun, hotshot las gun. A servo skull, always cool. Hotshot las gun. What else have we got? I flipped it over. So this is the carapace for the body. You're going to need the other half to make it. So we'll see if we might be able to make some clones. There is the one that you can stick on the back of the models that may not be physically carrying the hotshot las guns. We have a ton of heads. Is it going to focus for me? No, maybe, kind of. So you get the beret heads. We've got at least 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and then one with a little mask on this side. Then we've got over the other side 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 heads. So 7 plus 8. Nicholas should be able to do this. It is 15, and then we'll check the other sprue. But let me just have another quick look before we go on. So this is mainly your hotshot las guns and your heads and your body and your legs. The rest of this kit, there's your good old flag, the standard, which is pretty good for a Astra Militarum one, regardless. Now it says Scions on it, but you could possibly scrape that off. So this is the, I won't call it a cloak, the coat of the Prime, Tempestus Prime. I've used this part on a my Primaris Psyker chainsaw power fist. Let's have a look. I was told that you get 2 power fists, but I might be wrong. So there's at least one, like this. I cannot see that. Oh, so we've got, well, let's just go on. Let's carry on, crack on. So we've got your Hotshot Lasgun backpacks. There's 5 there. We have a power sword, plasma pistol. I'm guessing a las pistol or a hotshot las pistol with the extra bit on the back. The backpack for the Vox caster, so you need to give the other one a las pistol. If you give them a Vox caster, there's the little telephone, which was good. What else have we got? We've got the medics bits, 2 arms there. We've got a melt gun, another hotshot volley gun possibly. Flamer, I don't know who's bringing a flamer. I mean, it could be viable, but I probably won't go for that. Grenade launcher, the arm for the grenade launcher. Got some daggers there. And what's this bit? Let's spin it around. Oh, it's like a, I don't know what that is. I feel it's like a collar or something. So I was under the illusion we'd get 2 plasma guns with this, so I'm just going to have a quick glance over it. It's no big deal if we don't. 1 plasma gun. Yeah, so unless I've missed it on the other side, which I haven't. Nope. So I can only really see 1 plasma gun, but that's fine. Got a grenade launcher, plasma gun, melter gun, plasma pistol, bolt pistol. But that's pretty much it on the whole actual kit with the individual bits. It's really interesting. So this is bonus time. What I'll probably end up doing is I'll be cloning, getting the bodies together, and the legs, maybe this pair or this pair. That's probably the best one for it. Clone the legs and the body, and then from there I should be able to make, for every other arm option and head option, I should be able to make another model, which should be, hopefully, if it works, pretty cool. The only thing I see a problem with is this little bit under here, being maybe a void which might need to be filled, but we might see if there's a way around that anywhere. 1 second. This looks like a flag topper, I might be wrong. But there's obviously grenades and such. Yeah, so the plan is I will build at least 1 prime. I will probably build a plasma gun at least, maybe some hotshot volley guns. What I'll do is actually, what I'm going to do, I'm going to try and clone the legs and the body, and then use the majority of the clones as the normal lasgunner dudes, the hotshot lasgunners, and do all the other special weapons and such as my main dude. So we'll see how that goes. This is going on a bit long. What's that? A little book or a little box? Who knows? So that's it on the video. Tell me what you thought of the video. And if I've had any sense, I might put some links in the description where you can maybe buy them. And obviously, you know, that's always cool. Thumbs up, thumbs down if you haven't already, and subscribe as well. Definitely hit the bell button with your hotshot lasgun and see more videos like this. Thank you very much. Good day.